Hello there, I am Tegustu Zaribul. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. Here is the next lesson under Microsoft Word. Here create simple data and select text. This how to create sample data and selecting any text inside MS Word. How to select just using a keyboard and a mouse. I will demonstrate you. But before that, creating sample text. If you type is equal to RND open parenthesis close parenthesis in your Word document and then press enter Word creates three paragraphs in previous versions. In today's version it creates five paragraphs. RAND open parenthesis close parenthesis creates five paragraphs is equal to RAND open parenthesis close parenthesis. You can use this paragraph to practice what you learn. Throughout this lesson, just this text helps us to practice well. After typing is equal to RMD open parenthesis close press enter key. Create simple data, just I have created already. Then press enter, three paragraph appear in new document, select with the shift and arrow key. What the help of shift key? Shift key with directional keys helps us to select a text. On the keyboard there are shift key directional keys. Combining shift with directional key, it helps us to select a word or a statement or a paragraph. Just I am holding shift key at the same time down arrow key. Down arrow key. It helps us to select. But the only thing we have to choose cursor here, the insertion point. The blinking line is call it the insertion point or the cursor. Placing the on the appropriate place, then choosing the paragraph or group of paragraphs. Here, the cursor choosing the paragraph. Pressing hold down and the shift key will serve as just right arrow key until the first line of text slide. For instance, if you want to select only the first paragraph or the first line, you can press shift key with right arrow key, or you can use shift key with down arrow key, or you can use the left and up arrow keys by placing the cursor on the appropriate place. Click anywhere outside. Just what if you want to unselect, you can click anywhere. It helps you to unselect. Just shift with directional key. It helps you to select. Control key on the keyboard. On the other hand, control key with directional key. It helps you to move from one word to the other. Control with, for instance, right arrow moves one word. Control or control is down one paragraph. Up or down with directional keys. You can choose also, you can select out also using mouse, using the mouse. The only thing you have to press the cursor on the appropriate. For instance, if you want to select this, just drag and drop. The second paragraph is already selected. To unselect, click anywhere. If the cursor is placed here, we can drag and move to the left. If you want to select the last two paragraphs, just select with the mouse. Just it says Microsoft Word. Every time, don't forget to select any text. Before performing any operations, we have to select or we have to place the cursor on the appropriate place. So it says first selection, then action. First selection, then action. We have to first select, then we have to perform the action. First selection, then action. Selecting out first, then performing the operation. Use the down arrow key to move down your document, the arrow key. Use the right arrow key to move to the right. Use the up arrow key to move up. Use the left arrow key to move to the left. With directional key, with the shift key, it helps you to select. Cursor, move around your document by using click anywhere. Execute command with keyboard shortcuts. There are many methods you can use to accomplish tasks. For instance, Ctrl V is bold to make it bold. Ctrl V. Start a new paragraph. Just performing after selecting first selection, then Ctrl plus letter P means bold. Makes bold. You can use also Ctrl with other keys. Start a new paragraph. When you type in Microsoft Word, you do not press the Enter key. That's what the need of using Enter key. Enter key helps us to move from one line to the other. But in Microsoft Word, it helps you not only to move from one line to the other or to move to a new line, it helps you to create a new paragraph. Just show the paragraph mark here. Here. When you press an enter key, it is creating a new paragraph. Therefore, in Microsoft Word, press enter key. Enter key helps us to create a new paragraph. By default, the cursor, when it reaches to the margin, it moves to the new line. But we have to use only when you move to a new paragraph. We have to use only the enter key to create a new paragraph. Exit Word. You have completed lesson. After creating or after saving your file, you can exit here or close here. Close. You want save, it says. S helps us to save. Underline N is underlined, and to do save and using a keyboard. For instance, S is save. Under S letter is underlined. Then we can give it a file name and we can save to later use. You can use also a password. Save as here, browse. Can give also security key. Here under tools, general option. Then you can give password, for instance. The same character. Enter. OK. It asks you again to enter the same character in all fields. Then it is saved. In later use, you have to give the right password to open. No one can access this document. I'll continue the next lesson in next session. For today, thank you.